In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get the cheapest Hostinger hosting. So what you have to do to get the cheapest hosting from Hostinger is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can see already running a deal right now. If you scroll below, you can see Hostinger reviews on different websites like Trustpilot, Google Host Advanced, WP Beginner. Then you can see their three most popular plan. You can see that Hostinger got data centers all around in the world. They have their own website solution builder. They provide maximized website speed. They have a 24/7 support. Currently, more than 2 million people are using hosting as their primary hosting company. They've got advanced security features, including preventing your website from DDoS attacks. They also provide you with a free migration. So, in case if you're coming from the hosting company, the procedure is quick and easy. So now to get the cheapest hosting, what you have to do is to opt for this or this plan because you are saving the most amount of money over here. I will also be revealing two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get further discount and already running the deals. So right now, if I say that you can offer the premium or business plan, so if I say you can getting a lot of features over here, so my recommendation is to offer the premium plan because you are saving the most amount of money. You select this plan, simply select the choose plan. Now once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you are going to select your billing, and if you ask me to get the cheapest option, I recommend you to offer the 48 months plan because that is where you are saving the most amount of money. Do your research. Having these things in front of you. So the 48 or 24 months is my recommendation. Once you select your billing period, write your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account. Once you do it, select your payment method. Hosting or offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference. Once you select your payment method, you can see over here that they provide 48 months plan. Write your billing details over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code over here. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video. Now to get the cheapest discount, you can see that the price is already discounted. It was originally $432. Once you select the apply button, so you can see that the price which was already discounted is going to get a further discount. So now to get there is another coupon code as well which you can use. It is with the name of HI10. You can simply select the apply button and you can see that the price which was already discounted got a further discount. So if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to offer the premium plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description, plus use either of this coupon code plus premium plan to get the cheapest hosting option available. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger.